Hi guys. Have you heard about G-Mass PAMBABIES, the washable baby diaper? Yeah, this economy, guys. You need to come and hear this good news from me. This is one of the best baby diaper that you can use in this economy now. With the way this economy carry us, they go front and back. And just come and test it and thank me later. It's for our babies, our newborn babies. Those babies where they piss, they say, if they hear, shh, you can be like saying a tap they run. You know those are picking the people bed. Come and try this and thank me later. It is very smooth. It's washable diaper. You don't need to say that, I don't want to stain my hands. How will I wash my baby? For waiting, come try them. It's washable. Like when you wash it and dry it, it soaks the wee, but it doesn't leak. That's the good news. When you wear your baby, this G-Mass baby's hair, it soaks the wee, but the good news is that it does not leak. Like very comfortable and smooth. And it's encouraged to use during the day and during the night. Like, do not say I did not tell you. No talk say I no give you this good news though. If nobody say my pikin self see day road they come, guys. But wait, I will still show you how to use it. Let's go there. This is one of the best for now. Yes, tested and trusted. You can buy it for your children. If you have 5 children that will on the bed, imagine coming to visit somebody that will work for children. You don't fear that person out because of children they will. Some of them they don't even get pity. They don't even pity the bed. Some people bed they don't scatter tear join chinchi on top. Now they bring chinchi. They are ready to supply anywhere for this country, anywhere, nationwide, always available, no matter the quantity you want. If you want 100 pieces, 1 million pieces, 1,000, they get them. Come and try and thank me later. Their number is on the screen there. You can chat us on the WhatsApp there. You can DM, send us a message and tell us you want the quantity you want for the babies. No matter the size of your baby, if you are picking up, you get big bum or the small one, you go size them. Come and buy and thank me later. Watch. I want to show you how to use PAMBABIES. See the way the pampers is, right? Then you place it this way, like this. Place your baby at the center. Okay? Yeah, like this. You watch me do it. This very rope here, you bring it out, then put it here. You see? You cover here very well. This is why I say that it doesn't leak. See it? It doesn't leak. So this. Then you bring out this again. Put it here again. Like this. Are you seeing it? Like this. Then make sure you cover here very well. Like this. Let us assume now your baby is inside the pampers. Then you put it here. Yes. Bring this one again. I hope so you're seeing me. Don't go do mistake. Make your baby enjoy. Like this. You tie it like this. Yeah. Then you carry this one like this. Ew. Then you tie it like this. When I say it doesn't leak, like, see, it covers very well. Covers very well and it does not leak. Very comfortable. The wings should be outside. See how comfortable it is. Very comfortable. It doesn't stain. It only absorbs the piece, the wee inside, even the poo inside, and allow your baby to feel comfortable. The comfortability is top notch. G-Mass PAMBABIES is always available for you. It's here for you. It's a washable diaper that is very, very good, smooth, comfortable.